we are getting to a point where as a people individually, are we as ready as we should be? Well, that's up to you. I mean, you've got to make that analysis and assess on, do you feel like you are ready to receive the Lord? I think there's probably still a lot of work to do for many of us, myself included in that. But as a church, as a literal kingdom that we have been working to set up, I think the church is getting very close to
as the institution, right?
Yes, correct.
The institution of the kingdom of God on the earth. Yes.
Yes. I think President Nelson sees that. He sees that there is an entity now. There is this organization now that exists that has the ability and is now prepared for when the Lord
for world domination.
For world. See, I knew this was the part everyone was going to like. But yes, for the Lord to return, and now it's really up to us individually on how prepared we are as family units or as individuals, depending on our circumstance, to be part of that and to be actively engaged and to add to what the church as a whole has been preparing for with Christ's return.
I'm going to speculate. I'll speak completely from personal feeling here. But when he said the greatest manifestations are coming, countless privileges, blessings, and miracles will be bestowed upon the faithful, I can't help but feel that that's directly connected to the fact that they're building so many temples. And so, yes, like that, obviously that's referencing the fact that these blessings are being given out more freely and more easily in all the world. I think that's part of it. But temples also, temples are also the means by which the fullness of priesthood is administered. Like the fullness of the blessings of the Father are administered through the holy temples. And I just can't help but feel that we are in the most, what's remarkable about this is that the Lord is now incapable to administer more freely the greatest of all blessings to his children because of the success of the brethren in creating such a rock-solid institution, a successful institution as they have.
Yeah, the not only the organization and the structure, but the success, the commitment to financial practices that have been very beneficial for the church over the long run, all of the things that the church has instituted and implemented, the ability now to build temples, honestly, whenever and wherever we want to. I mean, seemingly, we could probably build 100 new temples a year at this point if we really wanted to.
Well, clearly
that we have the manpower to do it.
Yeah, clearly he's announcing them faster than we get figured out how to build it.
That's right. That's right. So it's not a financial.
The presiding bishopric's like, slow down, President Nelson. Take it easy.
We've only got so many people. Hit that like button, leave us a comment, subscribe to the channel. We really appreciate it.
They may seem like little things, but liking, commenting, it helps the algorithm push our content out to more people. So it's our small way of sharing the gospel in a social media age.